Imagine this. You open Zomato and nope, it's not another cheeky notification this time, but it's your favorite restaurant offering a midnight 1+1 deal even before you crave or even think of biryani. Or Book My Show pops up, not with ads, but with a VIP invite to your favorite artist's secret pre-party 2 days before the concert even goes public. Or your bank for that matter. It's not asking if you want a credit card, but telling you that your home loan is pre-approved, EMI free for 3 months, right when you are house hunting. All of this, not luck, not telepathy. That's Adobe. And they have just launched something that doesn't just reimagine marketing. It's rewriting the rules. Let's tell you how. So what just has happened? At the Adobe Summit, the company launched the Adobe Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator, a central hub that can build, manage, and orchestrate AI agents for customer experiences. Nah, these are not chatbots, these are not assistants. We are talking about fully autonomous AI agents that can collaborate, learn, act on their own across every customer touchpoint. And that's why we say, welcome to agentic marketing. You want content production? It's there. The content production agent creates on-brand content at scale. And what is extremely important after the content? It's engagement. And that is where the audience agent comes in. The audience agent can analyze engagement and build high-value segments. Then, of course, there's the site optimization agent that fixes performance issues before you even notice them. Then comes the experimentation agent. It can test, it can analyze, it can deploy campaigns dynamically. We are then talking about the product advisor agent that recommends the right product to the right person in real time. As I told you, if you're thinking about buying something or have said it to someone and pop comes the ad, well, that is the product advisory agent's work. This is not automation. It's intelligent delegation by the agents. So does that mean this is the end of transactional marketing? I mean, forget email blasts and cookie cutter campaigns. Adobe introduced Brand Concierge, a conversational, sensory-rich experience layer that turns websites into personalized journeys almost. I mean, just imagine an AI agent that knows your preferences, context, and even your mood that can then guide you from curiosity to confident purchases. No pop-ups, no pressure, no discount ending in 15 minutes, just seamless, human-like experience. We are not just building chatbots, we are creating brand-centered agent experiences. So how does it work behind the scenes? At the very core is the Adobe Experience Platform with deep semantic understanding of real-time customer data, of brand content, of business logic, of AI models from Adobe and trusted third-party ecosystems. And then, of course, we add Adobe Firefly, partner models from Microsoft and Amazon, and enterprise-grade governance. And you've got the most agent-ready marketing stack in the world. So who all are plugged in already? Adobe is not doing this alone. I mean, they've lined up an entire army. Trust me when I say that. AWS, Microsoft, Genesys, ServiceNow, SAP, Workday, and a lot more. All of them working to power agent-to-agent interoperability. They have even got the likes of Accenture, Deloitte, EY, IBM to help brands customize workflows across industries. And that's why we say the agentic revolution has begun. I mean, let's be clear. This is not about replacing marketers or creatives. It's about giving them superpowers literally, freeing up time for creativity, strategy, storytelling, while agents handle the grunt work. From designing customer journeys to writing copy, fixing website bugs to qualifying B2B leads, agents can do it all on their own. Anjul Bhamri, who's the SVP of Engineering at Adobe Experience Cloud, said, and we are quoting, "Agentic AI is a major leap forward that will accelerate workplace transformation." So why is this a big deal? And is this a big deal really? 100% yes. Adobe Analytics show a 1200% spike in AI-generated traffic to retail sites. 1700% for travel. Consumers are not just browsing, they are conversing with brands. And now, with Brand Concierge, the conversation isn't just reactive, it's predictive, it's personal, it's deeply immersive. That changes everything. Faster sales cycle, a lot deeper engagement, marketing that feels like magic, but runs on data. And that's why the bottom line is that marketing used to be a department, but now it's a network of intelligent, autonomous agents. Thanks to Adobe, the future of enterprise is not just automated, it's agentic. So the next time you visit, say, a new city, don't be surprised when the brand knows you better than you know yourself. Because behind every great experience, there's now an autonomous AI agent. What do you feel about this? Tell us in the comments below. And especially write long answers if you're into marketing. For more such real-time live updates from the world of tech and AI, don't forget to subscribe to AIM TV because think AI, think AIM.